How to exactly create Cloud AI account on your laptop. So very first you just need to open your browser. Simply go to search and type Cloud AI, and here you can find Cloud AI website. Simply open it. So after open, on the left side there you can see the option for continue with your Google account. So here you can continue, or you just manually type your email and password. So I simply select continue with Google, and here I select my Google account. And right now here you can see it's still loading, and after that select continue, and here you just need to wait couple of moments. So after that, here you can see right now I just mark these two options and select create account. So after that there have some different option. It's free, and this is for pro and max version. So I simply select free, and here I just skip it and select continue, and you can type your name here. So I simply type my name and select continue and select letter. And here you can see this is the main interface of your Cloud AI. On the left side there have a layout. You can see here, you can see there have different option. You can check it like chat, project, artifact, customize, and a lot of things on here. So you can chat from here. So here you can see, and I'm waiting for result. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. So guys, in this way you can create Cloud AI account. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.